Use your trimmers to create your baseline. Use your shavers, making sure you stay right under your baseline. Use your shears to remove all the bulk so it's easier to start your taper. One guard open. Lever open, no guard. Lever closed. Use the corner of your clipper. .5 guard open. Open and close lever till it starts to fade in. Touch up any details left with your one guard open. And close lever as needed. Finishing touches with your shears. I prefer to use shears than clipper over comb because you could see exactly how much you're cutting without removing too much hair. Clean all the extra bulk. Make sure you hold your comb at a 45-degree angle so you don't cut too much hair. Start from the bottom and work your way up. Set your baseline and make sure not to add too much pressure on your trimmers. Use your shavers, making sure you stay underneath your baseline. Lever open, no guard. Lever halfway open, no guard. Start from the bottom, work your way up. As you go up, open the lever, making sure not to pass your initial guideline. 0.5 guard open. Open and close the lever as needed to get a nice blend. One guard open and repeat technique. Two guard open. crispy lineup. Use your mirror to make sure the lineup comes out straight. Go against the grain to get a sharp edge up. Use a beard pen on the edges to make the blend pop out. That is the finished product. Looks very spiffy. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, peace out.